last few days, we've witnessed the first Pfizer vaccines being administered to frontline healthcare workers. Today, local healthcare workers receiving their first shots.
It is a historical morning at Deaconess Gateway in Newburgh, and that's where we find 44 News reporter Marissa Patwa. Marissa, you actually witnessed history. Just kind of talk to me a little bit, talk to us a little bit. You know, what was this moment like for you?
Good morning, Lauren and Tommy. You know, that's an incredible question, really, because for me, it was just wonderful to see these frontline workers stepping up and making sure that they're safe and vaccinated. They've been working so incredibly hard. Now, we had 3 groups of 8 of those healthcare workers get vaccinated just behind me in these empty seats just a little bit ago. And joining me right now here is Dr. James Porter, the president of Deaconess Health System. Now, Dr. Porter, I understand that we also had 5 of those healthcare workers actually immunized just yesterday afternoon. Can you explain a little bit why? I know it was kind of a practice trial run.
Yeah, you know, in healthcare, safety is our #1 priority. So we believe very much in practice and in making sure that we're prepared to do things the right way and the safe way. So we needed to open a vial yesterday to go through the entire process to be ready for today. When we opened that vial, we needed to immunize 5 people because we don't want to waste 1 drop of that precious vaccine.
Absolutely, and we had 24 incredible healthcare workers get that vaccine just this morning. Can you talk to me a little bit more about them? You know, are they nurses, doctors? What departments are they in?
You know, they were leaders across the healthcare organization, and they were from a variety of areas. There were intensive care, emergency medicine, hospitalist, family medicine, internal medicine. We had nurses from ICUs and medical surgical units, nurses from the emergency department. We really had a great cross-section of people who work here at Deaconess.
And for you being the president, what is it like to be a part of history here yourself?
You know, the history piece, I think, will settle in over time, but for us right now, it's exciting that we have the opportunity for this to be the beginning of the end of what's been one of the most difficult times in American history and in healthcare.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Porter. Now, I know St. Vincent Ascension also received nearly 1,000 doses, and later today we will have team coverage in Madison Baptist Health as those healthcare workers also receive their first doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Reporting live in Newburgh, Marissa Patwa, 44 News.
And the Bluegrass